Pete Williams is standing by in our Washington newsroom. He has breaking news from Justice on this story. What's the latest, Pete?
So the warden there at MCC in New York has been temporarily reassigned, and two people who work at the prison have been put on administrative leave. This is a statement from the Justice Department spokeswoman, Kerry Kupek. She says that Attorney General Barr, well, you can see it on your screen. I'll read it to you. It says, today the Attorney General. Now, as we go through this, look at who is doing the ordering here. The Attorney General directed the Bureau of Prisons to temporarily assign the warden at the prison there in New York at the jail to the Northeast Regional Office of the Bureau of Prisons pending the outcome of both the investigations. And then it says FCI Otisville. FCI stands for Federal Correctional Institute. So that's the Bureau of Prisons facility in Otisville, New York, will be named acting warden for now. So that's Barr's direction. Then it says the Bureau of Prisons has placed on administrative leave two of the staff members assigned to Epstein's unit, pending the outcome of the investigation. And then I think this last sentence is very telling. Additional actions may be taken as the circumstances warrant. And I think it's fair to say that that last sentence would not be in this statement if they didn't contemplate the possibility of additional actions. Now, to some extent, this is fairly routine procedure when you're investigating something and you want people not to be impeding the investigation. But on the other hand, to reassign temporarily the warden, I think, is a significant step. And to put two people at the prison on administrative leave, in other words, they're out of there for now, to get them out of the prison indicates that the investigation has already found some very troubling things. So this is I'd say, significant development.
Pete Williams, thank you for that breaking news.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.